In today's world, fire safety is a priority for every business. Our fire suppression audit ensures that your fire protection systems are ready to perform at their best when it matters most. With a team of certified professionals, we conduct thorough inspections of your fire suppression systems to ensure they meet all safety standards. Our audits are aligned with national and international fire safety regulations, ensuring your business stays compliant with legal standards. We conduct functional tests of fire sprinklers, alarms, extinguishers, and other suppression systems to assess their readiness. Our team verifies the functionality of fire suppression control systems to prevent failures in critical moments. We use cutting-edge technologies like thermal imaging to detect potential fire hazards that may not be visible to the naked eye. Our experts also verify the maintenance of fire extinguishers to ensure they are ready for immediate use in case of emergencies. From commercial buildings to sensitive data centers, our audits cover a wide range of industries, ensuring their unique fire safety needs are met. We go beyond systems, inspecting evacuation plans and ensuring your fire safety protocols are practical and easy to implement. After each audit, we provide detailed reports, identifying potential vulnerabilities and offering solutions to improve fire safety. With decades of global expertise, CDG Inspection is a trusted name in fire suppression audits, protecting businesses worldwide. In addition to audits, we offer fire risk management training, empowering your team to handle fire emergencies efficiently. Trust CDG Inspection to certify your business with fire safety standards and provide peace of mind knowing your systems are audit-ready. Ensure your fire suppression systems are up to code and ready for action. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry and protect your business today.